Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So if it is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right there, because I always do the videos on the bicycle and the bicycle parts. Now today I have an interesting video here for you guys. I tuned my bike and I noticed that the my Polar bike computer doesn't work, or it had some very minor flickering here. And what that means that it's due for replacement for one of these batteries to be replaced. And I'm gonna show you what you could do, what you need to do in order to do that. Now, in order to replace your Polar CS500, I would recommend the Panasonic. And in this case, I had one that's made in Japan. Let me zoom in here and show you. So it says made in Japan, and that's CR2354, 3 volts. Sorry, 3 watts. So I'm gonna put that thing there and let me show you. So here you go. Here is the unit, and I'm gonna flip it over. And if you look over here, you have close and open. Let me show you how that works. And we're gonna come back here, and boom, we're gonna just open it. And I'm gonna put this thing here so we don't scratch it. And this is your battery right there. Now keep in mind that this one particular is a little bit thick. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the battery and you're going to insert into this housing right here this way. So you have this is how it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit right this way over here. Now keep in mind this is the new one, and I don't want to take out. So you're gonna just pop out the old one, and then you're gonna fit it this way, facing this way, if you know what I mean. Okay, now the new battery is in there already, and let's see how this works. So you're gonna come back here, and you're gonna line up again, and see over here there is like a little arrow right there. You gotta have to put it right there and let it click. And see here. Okay, see it's at its right spot right there. Okay, now let's flip it over and turn the unit and see if it works. Oh, beautiful. Okay, and now let me give you a little overview. When you have the new battery in there, and I already threw out the old one, you're gonna have very crisp. Display here. That means you put a new battery in there, and that's the old one is very dull, and that's how you know what's happening there. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can buy the battery and then replace your Polar by computer. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.